valuation for insurance coverage. Now, what is insurance coverage? Sometimes when you look at a term, that term tends to fox you. So the moment you read insurance coverage valuation, oh my God, what it is? So it's very simple. So what is insurance coverage? It is the insurance cover an entity takes to cover risk on its assets. That is insurance coverage. So I am a company, and as a company, I have got 3-4 plants all over the country, and obviously I'm worried about the risk that tomorrow something goes wrong, something happens, some natural calamity happens, and otherwise also, if my plants are destroyed, then I am finished. So what I need to do, I need to take an insurance. And why I do need to take an insurance? So as to cover myself against the damage happening to my factories or my assets as a result of any kind of risk that I would cover. So what is the meaning of insurance, valuation of insurance coverage? इसका सिंपल सा मतलब ये है कि अगर मुझे कोई एसेट्स को के ऊपर इंश्योरेंस कवर लेना है तो मुझे ये देखना होगा कि मैं कितने अमाउंट का कवर लूं, राइट? कितने अमाउंट का कवर लूं. अब इसमें हमको ये ध्यान रखना है कि रिस्क कवर करनी है. सो आई हैव द 2 ऑप्शंस. One option is that I take the insurance cover to the extent of the amount that I have spent on that asset, right? So एक एसेट है मेरी 10 करोड़ की और मैंने वो 10 करोड़ का इंश्योरेंस ले लिया. So that is one way of doing it. Second is, what is my risk? My risk is bigger. Why my risk is bigger? Because in case something happens, suppose my plant is destroyed because of earthquake, then what I will need to do? I will need to reconstruct the plant. And if I have to reconstruct the plant, then the cost which I will incur is not going to be 10 crore. It is going to be more than 10 crore, 15 crores or whatever that may be. So instead of taking a cover which is equal to the value of the asset that I have, what I will need to do, I will need to take insurance cover based on reproduction or replacement method. So when I take the insurance cover, my insurance cover is going to be based on the reproduction method or the replacement method. Meaning what? Meaning that I'm not covering the book value of the asset. What I'm covering is, in case if I have to create a new asset, the insurance company will have to reimburse me so much. For this, insurance company of course will charge you extra premium, but then you will be safe and secure in case something happens tomorrow with your company, with your plant. And that is what we have to remember, and that is the meaning of insurance, valuation of insurance coverage. So any company which has to insure its assets will have to keep this factor in mind. Of course, it is up to the company. They can consciously take a decision to insure only the book value, or they can be more aware and do the insurance on the reproduction or on replacement method, so that they are safe and secure in case something goes wrong, friends. So friends, this is all that I had to share with you on these specific situation valuations. I hope whatever I have discussed with you, you have been able to understand. If you have any question, I'm sure you all must be hungry and maybe wanting to go and have your lunch, but you still have any doubt, any question, I would be very happy to take all your question and all your doubts. Thank you so much.